How to fix YouTube audio video sync error in 2 minutes. If you're experiencing audio and video sync issues on YouTube, don't worry, I've got some quick solutions to fix it in just 2 minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, check your internet connection. A slow internet connection can cause audio and video to lag. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data speed. If needed, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data as well. Now, sometimes simply reloading the video can solve the issue. Just open the video that you want to watch and simply reload it. Wait for the video to reload and check if the sync is fixed. If you're on desktop, you can simply clear browser cache. Just click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser and simply go to more tools and clear browsing data. Select cache and cookies, then click clear data. Restart the browser and reload the video. For mobile apps, what you can do is open your App Store or Google Play Store and simply search for YouTube. If there's an update available, simply update it. After updating, open the app and check the video sync. Now, if that also didn't work, simply try another browser or device. Switching to another browser or device can sometimes fix the issue. If you're using the YouTube app, simply try to use Safari, Chrome, or Firefox or Edge, or switch from your computer to a mobile device or vice versa and check the sync. Also, a high quality video setting can cause lag or syncing issues. Just go to the settings and simply tap on quality and make sure data saver is turned on and see if the sync improves. And that's how you can fix the audio and video sync error on YouTube in just 2 minutes.